Imagine simplifying your kitchen and cooking meals faster, while retaining all the flavors and textures you love. This Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a kitchen game changer. Offering a versatile, stress-free cooking experience, this multi-cooker does everything from pressure cooking and slow cooking to yogurt making and even sous vide. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, the Duo Plus is designed to take your cooking skills to the next level while saving you time and space. If you're looking for a highly functional appliance that replaces multiple kitchen gadgets, Instant Pot Duo Plus is the answer. In this review, we will break down the top features, benefits, and real-life value this multi-cooker offers. Let's dive in. Key features and benefits of the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1. Number 1. 9-in-1 multi-cooker functionality. One of the main attractions of the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is its ability to replace 9 separate kitchen appliances. Pressure cooker. Save time while cooking tender, flavorful meals in a fraction of the time. Slow cooker. Perfect for traditional low and slow recipes that need hours to cook. Rice cooker. Get fluffy rice every time, with no guesswork involved. Yogurt maker. Create fresh, creamy yogurt at home. Steamer. Steam vegetables, fish, and even dumplings with ease. Sauté pan. Brown, sear, and sauté your ingredients before slow cooking or pressure cooking. Egg cooker. Cook eggs to your desired consistency, whether hard-boiled or soft. Sterilizer. Easily sterilize baby bottles, jars, or utensils. Food warmer. Keep your food warm and ready to serve. Number 2. Time-saving performance with pressure cooking. The Instant Pot Duo Plus can pressure cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. For busy individuals or families, this means less time spent waiting and more time enjoying delicious meals. From tender roasts to quick weeknight dinners, you'll be able to cook meals quickly while locking in the flavors. If you prefer slow cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus also allows you to create traditional, slow-cooked recipes the way you love. Whether it's a comforting soup or a flavorful stew, you'll have the best of both worlds in one device. Number 3. Smart programs for one-touch cooking. One of the standout features of the Instant Pot Duo Plus is its 15 customizable smart programs. These presets make it incredibly easy to cook everything from ribs and soups to beans, poultry, and desserts with a simple touch of a button. Each program is designed to automatically adjust the cooking time and temperature, eliminating the need for you to constantly monitor the cooking process. Number 4. Effortless and safe venting. The Duo Plus comes with an improved, easy-release steam switch, which makes venting steam simpler than ever before. This feature helps reduce the stress of dealing with hot steam and the potential mess of releasing it manually. The steam switch automatically resets when the lid is closed, ensuring safety and convenience. This attention to detail makes the Instant Pot Duo Plus one of the safest multi-cookers available, with over 10 built-in safety features, including overheat protection, safe locking lid, automatic pressure control, non-overflowing steam release. Number 5. Real-time feedback with progress bar. The Instant Pot Duo Plus features a user-friendly, easy-to-read display with a cooking progress bar. This progress bar helps you keep track of where you are in the cooking process. Whether you're preheating, cooking, or keeping your food warm, you won't have to guess when your meal is ready anymore. It's all right there in front of you. Number 6. High-quality inner pot for even cooking. The 6-quart food-grade stainless steel inner pot of the Duo Plus is designed for even cooking and durability. It features a tri-ply bottom that ensures heat is distributed evenly, making it perfect for sautéing, searing, and browning your ingredients. Number 7. Easy cleanup. After cooking, cleaning the Instant Pot Duo Plus is incredibly easy. The lid, inner pot, and accessories are all dishwasher safe, and the fingerprint-resistant exterior ensures it stays looking fresh. No more spending time scrubbing stubborn grease or stains. Just a quick rinse or toss in the dishwasher, and you're good to go. Why choose the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1? 9-in-1 functionality. Replace multiple appliances with one device that does it all. Fast cooking. Save time with up to 70% faster cooking compared to traditional methods. User-friendly. The intuitive control panel and smart programs make cooking easy for anyone. High-quality construction. Enjoy even cooking, a durable inner pot, and quick cleanup. Safety first. With over 10 built-in safety features, the Duo Plus ensures peace of mind while cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.